of consistency is such that you religiously, with a discipline, do a task every day, every month, every year, you will be a perfection in it. No doubt, you never know how to do that work. You never know the way of doing that work. But when you are disciplined, you are consistent with that work, you get to know all the secrets and all the mastery of it. Can take you to the height where a talented man can't go up. Don't give a sense to me that you are working consistently and you don't know the work. You are not getting the hint that why you are getting failed. When you are consistent with your work, when you are trying a work, then you get to know the secrets of that job. You get to know the hidden things inside it. You find the ways, different ways to how to do that work, and slowly, you become a champ in that. Any work, any task, any project don't require a rocket science. It don't require a mastery in that. Everything comes with a practical knowledge. Consistency tells you to close up your book, to close down your books and just and get onto the ground. Be prepared on the ground and see how the life is. Find yourself struggling in that work. Find yourself surrounded by the people who are doing that work. Find yourself as on the ground. The books, the lectures, they will teach you the theoretical language and the experience of that work. They will not give you a practical knowledge. But when you start doing it practically, you have to be consistent. You should do it regularly, despite of the fact that you are failed each and every time. No matter you are failing 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, you are failing and failing and failing. But you don't have to forget this, that you have to make a consistency in that too. You are trying, that is what you are winning. To start a new thing, it doesn't make a sense that you will be hitting a 6 in the first go. Never. Nobody can do that. If somebody does, it is a fluke. But when you are trying a work and you are consistent with that, you are learning new things each and every day. You are learning its mastery, and you become a masterpiece in that work. No matter how the problems are coming, no matter that you want to give up, you say that, no, it is not the day again that I will fail. You don't want to do that work. You say to yourself, no, God, no, never. I don't want to start that work again. I will fail up again. You want to miss work. You want to leave the work. You want to just engage in any other work, but you don't do that. You are struggling again in that work and you are finding yourself fail again. And when you become happy in failing and you find a joy in the fail, you have to understand that you have learned the first lesson of the success book, that failures are the milestone of the journey of success. Fail doesn't make a sense that you will fail always. But yes, the guy who comes first knows little. Who has failed a lot of time, he knows much more than him, the guy who comes first. Your failures are the badges of your success. But the thing is that you have to learn from your failures. You don't have to be repetitive in that. I'm telling you a small example of the power of consistency, which can make it clear to you. If you drop a tiny part of water on a stone regularly each and every day, it will make a mark on that stone, on that piece of stone. It is getting dropped. Do you understand? A tiny drop of water can make a mark on the stone if it drops regularly. If you do a work daily, every hour, every second you think of that, every minute you are talking for that, every day you are doing, every hour, every month you are revising your problems, your mistakes, every time you are thinking about that, so that you will be successful? Don't you think that your hard work will pay for you? How can be? You can be so much ruthless about yourself. How can you find your dignity all around that there is no peace for you? It can't. It should not. You have to think that consistency will bring flourishness in your life. Dream big, work hard. When you work for your dreams and the guy who works for money, there is a hell lot of difference between these two. One is running a long race and the other is running a short race. Difference between marathon and a short run. The guy who is running marathon, he is working for his dreams, and the guy who's working for money, he is running a short run race. Although both are running, but there is a hell lot of difference between two. I know it is very difficult and it becomes very frustrating to be consistent when you are facing failures and then you have to be consistent in that work. It feels disheartened. You are blown away day by day. When you get failed, you know the pain. Guy next to you who is winning, he can't think of. He certainly can't think of that how the pain is for you when you give up. But this pain, this anger inside you, the discomfort for being failed, this will create a fire inside. This fire will lead you to the door of. This is what the consistency leads you to. Every time, every second you think that today I was failed, yesterday I will fail, but not tomorrow. This thing you have to remember. You can think that yesterday I failed, tomorrow I failed, but not tomorrow. The tomorrow day is a hopeful day for you. You have to begin your journey with a hope of gaining. The journey should not start with a bad mood. This journey should start with a hope of being successful. This journey should come out from you for being successful. And when you begin this journey, I'm telling consistency pays to you. It pays, dear, it pays. Your hard work, your discomfort, your struggle, your challenges, your risk-bearing appetite, these things will pay for you.